Hello, my dear friend. I am Anan Alam, and today I am going to tell you a very true secret to live a happy life. So let's start without wasting any time. My dear friends, everybody knows that we are living in present, and but most of us are not living in present. Most of us are not living in present because a lot of people are living in future, or they are living in past. The people who are living in future are not successful, are not happier people, and the people who are living in past, these people are also not happier people. So there is only one reality of this world, and that is, if you be a happier man, then you will have to stay in present, sorry, in present. Then you will have to stay in present, because present is the only reality. Present is the only reality, is the only one and only reality. uh, because we feel, we think, we see in present, we see in present, we hear in present, we touch in present. Each and everything, our five senses work in present, not in future. We always try, we spend our times and money by making plans about future, that I will do something in my future, and I hope that I believe in myself, I believe in capabilities, and I will do something in future. My dears, leave this type of planning, leave this type, forget all the plannings, just do work in present, because your present makes your future. Your present makes your future. There is also a little bit thing more, which I want to describe with all of you, and that is, don't try to be change yourself. We are trying to change ourselves. That's not a good thing, because uh, changing is not itself a good thing. I believe that changing is a good thing. Okay, I'm sorry. Changing is a good thing, but there is something more important than changing, and that is transformation. Transformation. What is changing? Changing means uh, a sudden thing, a sudden incident which happen in human lives, in our environment. That is called changing. But what is transformation? What is You can say that changing is like a revolution. Changing is like a revolution, but transformation is like a evolution. Evolution means to born. You are born, but after borning, you will have to born again for achieving your goals, for achieving your destinations, for achieving your targets. So make yourself a present man, and transform yourself for future. I hope I have delivered my message to all of you. If you have any question, any query related to today session, today topic, you can ask me right now. Thank you. Goodbye.